Trump and Elon are having a dick measuring competition. And as my granddaddy always said to me, if you gotta get out a measuring tape, you've already lost the competition, okay? It's important life advice to remember here, guys. Let's talk about Ethereum. Let's talk about what's happened to the charts. Talk about Pepe as well, what I'm doing in reaction to this current sell-off. So, first and foremost, the price of Ethereum. Man, that just took an elevator down, didn't it? Gosh darn. Just slow grind and blam. Down we go. Just classic crypto price action. Slow grind up. Elevator straight down. There's an 8% daily candle down in total for ETH. Actually, about 9% daily candle down in total for ETH. Pretty big dump off of the drama, which, to be honest, feels a bit overblown. Are we really selling off our assets because Trump and Elon are beefing on Twitter? It's also tiring, isn't it? Anyway, what I'm watching for Ethereum right now, we have come down essentially to the bottom of the current range. So you can see here, this has basically been where we've been at. Okay, we have had some wicks under this sort of current range bottom. We haven't had a full daily candle close under. Now the trick is going to be, will today bounce back enough? Anyway, I'm not expecting a bullish engulfing candle today. That would be ridiculous if it happened, but I highly doubt it. What I would like to see happen today, though, in Lark's wish list here, is for the price to get back above the 200-day EMA purple line on the chart here. That has been our rock. We want to see the price finish the daily candle to close it above the rock. Okay, that would be a good move to basically say, yeah, we deviated from range a little bit on sort of the fear, and then we got back within the range. Okay, failure to close above the 200-day here would probably be relatively problematic and could see us coming down to, well, our other area of interest, about $2,100 to $2,200. So somewhere right in here, if this fails, okay? So that's something we need to keenly watch today and really over the weekend. I would give it to the end of the weekend to recover that 200-day EMA. If we fail to do it before then, I'd be looking for lower prices for Ethereum over the next week or two, okay? So none of this stuff is crazy. It's all fine. Everything's going to plan. It's all good. Now, currently, I'm going to bet, trade. We're not gambling. We're playing poker. Wait, that's gambling too. Shit. Anyway, besides the point, guys. What I'm looking for here is a decent reaction with the 17 hours remaining in this daily candle to get back above the 200-day EMA. So, long from the 200-day EMA with a stop loss relatively tightly under here, around 2430 approximately. That would say to me that, okay, the breakout above the 200-day has failed. And look, there'll be a lot of volatility between now and what happens during the rest of the day, especially once Trump and Elon wake up in America and start tweeting. Stay off Twitter, guys. Trump, Elon, just do something different. Go touch grass today, okay? Let Ethereum pump. Come on. Come on. Anyway, let's see if we can actually catalyze the price over the 200-day EMA today. Now, look, you got to keep in mind, too, we do have a downtrend in the MACD. It's been in effect for a while here. We have a downtrend on the RSI. That's been in effect for a while. In fact, it's crazy, man. Have you guys seen this downtrend on the RSI for Ethereum? That is absolutely wild, wild, wild. Look at these peaks. Beautiful. Now, the problem is that we're still trending below it and getting rejected. What you want to see is the RSI come up, break over this. That would retake the control line and break out of the downtrend. Okay? Ideally, a MACD bullish crossover. So let's see. Let's see. I mean, the current play, I would love a lot more confirmation for this current trade that I'm making, that keeping the risk relatively low as a result of that. If we had an RSI breakout, and if we had a MACD bullish crossover, I'd be like, yeah, let's go, man. Slide it up, put all the risk on. But current price action, let's see if we can get enough of a bounce to get us back over the 200-day EMA here. Price target's up around 2650. Which may be a bit overly ambitious, but let's see how it goes. By the way, guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe, Solana, whatever your heart desires, really, check out Bitfinex, guys. They've got some insane deals going on right now. Not only is it a no KYC, no VPN exchange, it means you can just use it freely from wherever you are in the world, enjoy yourself, enjoy your life, all that kind of stuff. Here's the deal, okay? Here's the deal. They're also doing some insane giveaways right now, okay? So we're doing $1,000 every day giveaway on our live stream. So Monday to Friday, all you have to do is sign up during the week. You will be eligible. You go in the draw to win one of two $500 prizes every day during the month of June. Okay? So a lot of prizes we're giving away here. It's going to be a good time. We've already given away a few $1,000s this week. More free money coming. Plus, you'll get sweet deposit bonuses. You deposit $1,000, you get $200 back. You deposit $2,000, you get $400 back. And you can get up to $2,000 in trading bonuses. Okay? Lots to love about trading over on BitUnix. Link down below. Now, Pepe. Pepe is an ETH beta that I'm keeping a keen eye on. You guys know I'm a big fan of the frog. So, a similar situation where we have the MACD downtrending is now crossing under the zero line. So again, we are very much in a downtrend right now for all these crypto coins. RSI downtrend still very much in effect. RSI feels like it could break out a little bit earlier than the MACD here. Could be an early signal. But again, I'm going to YOLO it and try to catch a 200-day EMA retest. Again, we failed to retake the 200-day EMA, and it's going to be a problematic situation for a lot of these coins. We could see lower prices then coming in over the weekend if we get strong rejections today at the 200-day EMA. Ideally, after such a big move down, you want to see a strong reaction back in the opposite direction. Okay? Because it is kind of, okay, come on, guys. Everyone's selling off their stuff. And stock futures are pumping, by the way. Okay? Stocks are pumping. It's fine. I know stocks finished in the red yesterday. Futures are up today. So obviously, I don't know, Trump and Elon are talking or something like that today. It's not that big of a deal. Let's see how it all plays out over the next 24 hours into the weekend. I know, leaving trades open over the weekend, man. It's PTSD every damn time. So much bullshit happens at the weekend, I swear. Anyway, problematic thing for a lot of coins right now is this. And again, this is kind of YOLO trade here on Pepe. Seeing if we can catch that 200-day EMA reclaim. That's basically the sole thesis of this trade here. RSI is down, MACD is down. I want to see a confirmation of a breakout on the RSI. I want to see that MACD turn bullish. That'll be a much, much better setup, to be honest. Plus, problematically, Pepe is now in a downtrend. Okay, we lost the 20-day EMA. 20-day EMA is now trending down. We had a bearish retest on the bottom side of that 20-day EMA. Not great. Okay. Now, that could be recovered quickly, obviously, but until it is, we have to play a little more defensively here. So longing this bounce will be up to about 0.019. So kind of somewhere in this range here. That's about where the 20-day EMA would be probably in the next few days if we get a significant enough bounce up there. I'm not sure if that happens or not, but hey, that's what we're going to try to play here on this particular move. So you can see I've got an ETH long open from 2462. 2460, sorry. Entry price 2460, current price 2462. So we're $88 in profit. Let's go. ETH to the moon, baby. Take profit on that is at 2650. Stop loss at 2430. Okay. We also have a Pepe trigger open order, which I'm surprised hasn't been triggered. It's very close to getting triggered at this point. Pepe trigger order open at 0.0111, which is just above the 200-day EMA. Take profit on that, as you can see here, 0.0109. So that's our stop loss, and 0.012 is the take profit there. So you can see those numbers right there. So let's see how we go. Let's see if we can get some reclaims of these 200-day EMAs. If not, might be going low over the weekend. We'll see how we go. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you back in the next one. Peace.